Find h of x equals f of x times g of x for the given functions, then find h of 4. So we're going to multiply f of x times g of x. So we're going to have 3x to the 3/2 power times 4x squared. Okay, now I'm going to apply the commutative property of multiplication here to rewrite h of x, and it's going to be 3 times 4, and then times x to the 3/2, and then times x squared. So h of x is 3 times 4, which is 12, and then x to the 3/2 times x squared. You're going to add the exponents, so 3/2 plus 2, that's 3/2 plus 4/2, which is 7/2. So it's going to be 12x to the 7/2. And here I'm going to write that a little larger here. It's easier to read. Okay, so it's 12x to the 7/2. Now we're going to find h of 4. h of 4 is 12 times 4 to the 7/2. Now what I like to do here, if possible, I like to do the root first. So in other words, the 1/2 power. 4 to the 1/2 power is 2. So that means it's the same thing as 12 times 2 to the 7th power. Okay. 2 to the 7th power. Yeah, what is that? I think that's 128 and then times 12. Well, let's just do that on the calculator just to make sure you get it right here. 12 times 2 to the 7th power. 1536. So h of 4 is 1536. So there's our function h of x and the function evaluated for an input of 4.